In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a track in Reaper. Now to do this, first you want to select your audio on your track. So for example, I'm going to focus on this bottom one over here where I have my vocals. And then from here, you either want to go and simply click like that so the playhead gets positioned where you want to do a split. But if it doesn't let you, so for example, if I wanted a split here in between, but it won't let me, you have two options. You can go anywhere here and use the arrows on your keyboard to actually move it, or you could go and use your control button on your keyboard, and then while holding down the control key, click where you want to go, and it's going to position the playhead over there. Now, once you've done this, all you have to do is press S on your keyboard, and just like this, as you can see, it actually split my track audio over here, okay? And if I now go and move this, it's also going to move it. Now, it did move it weirdly because I had one track over it, but that's essentially how to do it. That's essentially all you have to do. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.